Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Marina and welcome. Today we're going to be doing a full face. I've just done my eyes, which is going to be a separate video. They're not quite finished yet, but we are going to get ready. We are staying in because it's quarantine and we are not allowed out. So yeah, I thought I would stay in and get all glammed up. And I want you to come with me and get yourselves glammed up, because you should not just be like doom and gloom. We should still be trying to live our best lives. Cheers. Made this coffee right. It's very strong though. So I have moisturised. I'm not really going to primer because I'm not going out, so don't really need to. So I'm going to jump straight into foundation. I'll be using the Urban Decay All Nighter mixed with a tiny bit of the Naked Skin by Urban Decay, both in the shade 4.0. I'm literally so close to finishing this, so I really wanted to use that up. I'm just going to spray my foundation brush with a bit of MAC Fix Plus because I find that my foundation goes on a lot better when I do so. So yes, I would love the Urban Decay All Nighter because it's full coverage and it sits nicely on the skin. So I am just going to start by tapping this onto the skin. I find that by tapping it you get a much more full coverage finish. Damn. So yes, and then I will buff out afterwards. So how are you doing? Are you self-isolating? Are you in quarantine? Do you have coronavirus? Do you know anyone who had coronavirus? Let me know. I am carrying on my life completely as normal pretty much. I'm still working, yeah, just can't really go out anywhere, can we? Everywhere's closed, which obviously is for the best. So, not that I go out much anyway, I just go to the cinema quite a lot. I have a Cineworld card, but all Cineworlds are sadly closed. So I'm having a movie night tonight. Gonna cook a nice dinner. So yeah. So yeah. My skin's been so bad lately. I'm just gonna take a little bit more of the Naked Skin, just because I don't want this too thick and heavy, but I do want a little more coverage on my cheek area. Have you managed to get food? Like the other night on Thursday, we needed to go food shopping and we were going to go to Costco because we thought obviously you have to be a member to go to Costco, so not anyone can go, so we thought that that would be the best chance of getting food. For concealer, I'm going to use the NYX Can't Stop and Won't Stop concealer in the shade Natural. Just looks like this. Lakeside is my nearest Costco and it is about 45-minute drive, and me and Dan both had work, so by the time Dan got home from work it was like 6:30. So we were like, it is quite late and it does shut at 8:30. So I said to Dan, like, should we try Asda, which is like 5 minutes away from us, to save us going all the way to Lakeside and then we've got to pay for the toll, etc. So we went into Asda and there was absolutely nothing. Like, no meat, no vegetables, no fruit. Like, you literally walked in and we walked down the first 3 aisles, there was like one salad bag and champagne and butter. That is all and I was literally in shock. I was like, it is 2020 and there's no food on the shelves. Like, what is wrong with people? So we I'm just going to take a smaller brush just to get under the eyes. But yeah, so we drove all the way to Lakeside, and the queue to actually get into Costco was literally people waiting with their trolleys outside, and it was tailed back like a lot, like a long wait. It looked like it would be at least an hour to even get inside, and obviously they shut at 8:30, and by this point it was about 7:15. Oh my god, there's foundation in my hair. Do you see this? For God's sake, I've literally just washed my hair as well, trying to look pretty for staying in, and this is what happens. Okay. So yeah, we went all that way and I was so mad. I'm just taking this very old and battered Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit, and I'm going to be taking the banana powder and the highlighter, mixing those together and placing those under my eyes to set my under eyes. So yeah, luckily there is a big Tesco there, but like in Lakeside, so we thought we'll just give it a try. And would you believe it, we actually managed to do a shop. It was a very wishy-washy shop. It's not things I would usually buy, but I thought we have to get what we can get. Like, we have to just get whatever food there is to make enough meals for the week. So we ended up getting like some chicken goujons. Oh yeah, I'm taking the Coty Airspun powder. I normally just use this to bake, but I CBA. I'm just going to be putting this all over my face today, because why not? So yeah, we managed to do a shop. Couldn't find any pasta, any rice, anything like that, but got some meat and fruit and veg, which is like the main thing. So yeah, have you been able to, you know, get enough food? I really hope that you have, because this is not a nice situation, is it? And then I am just gonna take a little bit and bake with that as well, because why ever not? Just under my eyes, little bit. So nice. This powder goes everywhere. Okay, since I've got the Anastasia contour kit out, I will be taking this contour shade down here, and I'm gonna be contouring my face. So this is a Spectrum A04 brush. Really needs to clean. So I'm just gonna shop my approach in a bit to get a guide of where my contour should go. And I'm just going to take this up a little bit up on my hairline, and definitely along my jaw, because girl, you better be snatched in, honey. And then I'm going to take a smaller Real Techniques brush. This is a angled shadow brush. I'm going to take that same contour shade, and I'm going to just narrow down my nose a little, because girl, can't be in quarantine with a fat nose. Like, everybody's gonna judge me, you know. It's not good. Now I'm gonna go under my lip just to bring it forward a little bit, and then just gonna buff that out a little bit with this bigger brush so it's not so harsh. And then I'll be taking this MAC angle brush, the numbers rubbed off, and I'll be taking the bronzer from this palette, and Just gonna bronze up my face. Yeah, I made this iced coffee and it's so strong, because normally I make them and they're not strong enough. So I put like 4 spoons of instant teaspoons and it's so strong. So next time I'll just do like 2.5. But yeah, I really like this bronzer. It's got a really nice tone to it. Okay, I'm gonna brush off my bake and then we're gonna pop on some blusher. So today I will be using the Colourpop Disney collection in Enchanted Mirror, and this packaging, she's so pretty. It's quite a pale blush, but it goes on the cheeks really, really nicely. Build this up quite a lot if you're quite dark like me, not dark but like more of a medium skin tone. I think this would show up on a paler skin much better, but yeah, I really, really like this blusher. And then I'm just gonna use my Benefit Gimme Brow just to brush through those eyebrows. I've got the Jeffree Star Brain Freeze palette, which I haven't used in ages, so I did want to use it today. I don't think I have used this in a video before. Absolutely gorgeous, and I think I'm going to use this pinky colour, which is called Frozen Fruit, on a Spectrum B08 brush. Just going to take it and pop this on my Chatty. Probably not as kind of glowy as I would like, so I will probably go on top with another shade. I should have used the Anastasia because I'm doing an Anastasia look, aren't I? Oh well. So in the light this looks quite glowy, as you can probably see, but in the mirror for me it's not quite doing enough for me. So I'm going to go in with a little bit of Gold Breaker just on top, just on the cheekbones, just so we get a little bit more like glow, because we need to be glowing, so like, oh yes girl, that's what I'm talking about, honey. Okay, so I'm just gonna add actually a bit of that pinky colour on my inner corners. Pretty, huh? I'm gonna spray my face. Like I said, I've got the MAC Fix Plus. I'm gonna... Okay, so I'm actually gonna go and finish off the rest of my eyes, pick out a lip colour, and then I will come back and do the lips. But for now, I'll be going back to my eyes in my other video. Don't know what will be up there, so yeah. BRB. Back to do lips. I'm just going to line them with Heroine by MAC. It's like a purple colour. I find MAC line is so dry. And then for lipstick, I'm going to use the NYX matte lipstick in the shade Aria. Haven't used this in ages. Ew, I just touched it. Great. Nice one. This is a lot more purple than I remember it being. And I do want some gloss, so I bought 3 glosses over. That might go. This is the NYX Sprinkle Town or the NYX Duo Chrome. Which one? I think I'm gonna go with Sprinkle Town. Even though I hate these squeezy tube ones because they go everywhere. Oh my god, it's purple. No. Mm-mm, mm-mm, mm-mm. And now it's in my mouth. No. I'm gonna go with the duochrome one. This is the finished Glam look. Okay, now I feel really, really far away, but you're gonna have to deal with it, honey. Like, look at this little cow's lick. Can you go away or not? What is my hair doing? One moment while I go and assess the situation in the mirror. Ow. This is my finished look, staying in quarantine. I really hope that you enjoyed watching. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. If you want to follow my Instagram, you can, and please leave me a comment down below. Also, my inbox is always open on Instagram if you're struggling at this very, very crazy time and you just want someone to talk to. Please feel free to give me a message if you're my friend, or if I barely know you, or if I don't know you. I don't care. If you want a chat, then please feel free to message me. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, like I say, please thumbs up, subscribe, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.